Verification option not showing. If you have this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. All what you have to do is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, open the apps and then choose Twitter right here, and this is the app informations page. On this page you will find all the settings about your Twitter on your phone. All what you have to do is click on notifications management, make sure that all the notifications are enabled like this. Go back, click on this for stop right here, click on the storage, click on clear data, click delete, go to the home page, open Play Store and then update the Twitter from the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS. Or what you have to do is easy, just search for Twitter and click on it. On this page you will find this update option right here if you don't have the latest version. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video.